This one's a medium geometry problem, and I'm going to show you two ways to do it. I'm going to show you the super fast way, and then I'm going to show you the slightly slower way. So the question text is convoluted and stupid. It's a square, and you're trying to find the area of the square. So let's just write down area of the square. Redraw the figure. Good news here. You do not need to redraw this whole figure. It's a square, right? All the sides are the same. So let's just focus on one of the sides of the square. Once we do that, we know what one side is, we know what all the sides are. Let's focus on this side. So how far is it from the center of the xy axis, the origin, up to C? It's obviously 5, right? You can see it right there. How far is it over to D? Also obviously 5. So if you know that this is 5 and you know that this is 5, you got a special right triangle on your hands, guys. How do you know it's a right triangle? Well, the x and the y axis are crossing, straight lines, making a right angle. So always want to keep it in the back of your head, man. Hey, special right triangles, look, there they are. There's two of them. They're in the SAT formulas box. You look at the first one, the sides are all different. We have two sides that are the same. But if you look at the second one, hey look, two sides are the same shape and everything. So it's s root 2, 5, 5. What do you think this is? Good. It's 5 root 2. So what are the sides of this square? Every one of them is going to be 5 root 2. How do you find the area of a square? Well, you've been doing it since you were in 3rd grade. It's 5 root 2 times 5 root 2. That's 25, 5 times 5, times square root of 2 times square root of 2, square root of 4, which is 2, and the answer is 50. If you don't realize that you got a special right triangle on your hands, you can still use the Pythagorean theorem. It's a little bit longer, but you know it. You've been doing that since you were in 3rd or 4th grade too. And you say, okay, well, a squared is 5, right? So 25. A squared is 25. B is 5. So b squared is 25. So what's c squared? C squared equals 50. Okay, well, if c squared is 50, what's c? C is root 50. And then I'm kind of running out of space here, but that's one of the sides, right? You just found the same thing. So root 50 times root 50, well, guys, that's just 50. And you get the same result. Pretty easy.